SPIN is a funding database that contains searchable data from a number of funding sources, including federal, private, corporate, and international funders. It can be used anonymously, or an account can be requested. Geneseo subscribes to SPIN, the world's largest database of funding opportunities. SPIN Matching and Research Transmittal Service, also known as SMARTS, logically draws upon SPIN to deliver to you targeted funding opportunities to match your defining criteria and research focus. SPIN is available to all faculty, staff, and students at Geneseo who access it on campus or through VPN. However, you may customize SPIN to find funding opportunities based upon your specific search criteria. To do this, you'll register for a SPIN profile from our office. First, sign into SPIN from a Geneseo computer. There are several ways to access SPIN. You may search for SPIN on the Geneseo landing page. You may also find the Office of Sponsored Research webpage, and SPIN empowers administrators so they can assist their investigators by setting up automated SMARTS email notifications and by designing searches for groups or specific individuals. If you already have an account, you simply log in with your login ID and password. If you would like to set up an account, fill in your profile information and click Save. You'll receive an email confirmation of your request. The director of the Office of Sponsored Research will create an account for you, and you should be able to log in. The advantage of having your own account is that you can access it off campus, and you can program SPIN to search for funding sources specific to your needs. You can also ask SPIN to send you weekly emails of funding opportunities that might interest you. The University of North Carolina has created 7 tutorials that will help you use SPIN to its fullest potential. Here are the addresses for all the YouTube tutorials. If you prefer written directions, you may access and download a user's handbook on the Office of Sponsored Research's website. The address at the bottom of the page, or just go to our website and click on Searchable Databases under How do I find available funding? If you need help searching through SPIN, just ask the Office of Sponsored Research, provide some key search words, and we can run a search for you. With SPIN, you can access funding information online from any browser, organize grant information in one convenient place, gain access to the largest keyword list, allowing for greater flexibility in your searches, quickly locate limited submission opportunities or federal or non-federal programs, and locate all types of funding information, for example, federal business opportunities or the Federal Register Guide. SPIN has 3 search modes: text search, keyword search, and advanced search. Each mode operates independent of the others. Any search preferences, for example, citizenship, sponsor type, or activity location, apply to all 3 modes. Text search will search an opportunity's full text. Type in search terms in the search box and click Locate Funding. Text search matches against opportunity title, sponsor name, synopsis, objectives, contact information, and other fields. Text search responds to different search logics to parse relevant results. Inflectional forms of search terms are included, so a search for test will also include testing, tested, and tests. Tips: enter words together such as scientific research to find records containing both words in their inflectional forms. Add or between words such as scientific or research to find records containing either word in their inflectional forms. Or conduct a search for an exact phrase by wrapping the phrase in double quotes such as scientific research. SPIN contains approximately 3,500 catalog terms for locating pre-matched or categorized opportunities. You can select keywords 2 ways. One is Explorer, in which a tree view of keywords sorted into categories and subcategories appears, or 2, Searcher, in which a query box responds to your typing with potential matching keywords. You can combine keywords using or, and operators. However, selecting a large number of keywords does not necessarily result in a longer list of opportunities. Advanced search allows you to narrow search parameters to produce relevant results. You can link together multiple search fields such as eligibility, full program, sponsor type, and objectives. Advanced search allows you to search the full program while narrowing results in ways that text search and keyword search do not. Automation and email alerts. You may ask Spin to send you email notifications daily or weekly with recent funding opportunities so you never miss an opportunity or deadline. If you have questions or need support in using Spin, the Office of Sponsored Research is here to help. Email or call us and we can assist you learning how to search or send us keywords, and we will run a search for you.
Thank you for completing this module. And as always, if you have any questions, contact the Office of Sponsored Research.